Just now, we received a message na meron tayong paparating na package. It actually contains one of the most famous cameras today, the DJI Pocket 3. Just a bit of background, no, yung wife ko, si Den, gustong-gusto niya yung kamerang yun. Hindi siya full-time content creator like me, no, pero sa totoo lang, siya yung mas mahilig manood ng vlog at gumawa ng vlog from time to time. Medyo hindi niya lang strength yung mag-edit, kaya hindi siya madalas mag-post. But anyway, since mahilig nga siyang manood ng vlogs, lagi niyang binabanggit sa akin na yung mga gamit daw ng mga vloggers na pinapanood niya is yung DJI Pocket 3. So ever since lumabas yun, lagi siyang nag-express ng desire niya to have one. So today, tutuparin na natin yung matagal ng desire ng puso niya. Antayin lang natin, no, wala pa eh. Mamaya kukunin natin siya tapos tatawagin natin si Den. So yun na muna for now. Update ko kayo kapag dumating na yung camera. So kakatawag lang ng rider. Dumating na siya, dumating na yung package. So kunin na natin sa baba tapos tawagin na natin si Den. Tada! So ito na, no, yung DJI Creator Combo. Excited ako sa magiging reaction ni Den. Wala siyang idea at all na today magkakaroon siya ng DJI Pocket 3. Hindi ko muna siya i-unbox, no? Kasi gusto ko makita niya ng bagong-bago na nakabalot pa. Ikwento ko pala very quickly kung paano ko balak i-reveal yung surprise, no? Meron ako ditong backdrop. Ito alam naman ni Den to. Alam niya na may ganito tayo dito. Kaya di naman siya magugulat. So, meron akong black backdrop dito na hinihila lang naman siya. Hilahin lang natin yan. Ito yung creator combo, di ba? Yan, nandyan siya ngayon. Nakaganyan yan siguro. Lilinisin natin to. Tatanggalin natin tong mga to. Tanggalin natin siya. Tatanggalin din natin to. Para yung creator combo lang talaga yung kitang-kita agad. Tapos, iangat natin to. Yan, para matakpan. Lagi ko yung ginagamit in the recent videos, no? Kaya di naman siya magugulat or mawiwirduhan kung ba't may ganyan dyan. Tapos alam nyo naman yun na kapag may ginagawa ko ditong video, laging nandyan yung backdrop na yan. Pero mamaya sabihin ko sa kanya, para iba naman, pakibaba na lang yung backdrop. Siya yung pagbababain ko. Kasi binababa lang naman yan, no? Para pagbaba niya yan, pwede sa iba, ibababa niya. Pagbaba niya, makita niya. Pero dahil tulog pa nga si Noah, mag-ano muna tayo. Gawa muna tayo ng trabaho natin. Tago muna natin yung DJI Pocket 3. Kasi muli mag-video. Ayan, no? Hello, mic check. Ito lang, lagay mo sa'yo. Ano tayo? Video tayo. Ayan, may video si Mami, may video.
Ay, parang maganda may music tayo.
Wait. Upo ka dun, love.
Okay.
Tapos, mamaya kang mag-music, i-ano natin, video natin.
Hello, my name is Noah. Hello, my name is...
Ay, para mas maganda yung baba mo yan, love.
Alin?
Yung backdrop.
Okay.
Baba mo nga. I-ano mo lang. Dahil mo lang pababa.
Hilahin?
Oo.
Walang trigger? Baba lang talaga?
Oo.
What?
Oo.
Damn. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Mom! Why did you buy? Why did you buy? Oh my gosh! No!
Ano yan?
Why did you buy?
Ano yan? Oops.
Sana wisdom na lang. Thank you. Is this for you?
Happy ka? Happy ka
Oh
ba?
my gosh!
Gulat ka?
Oh, galing! Actually, I thought you're getting my reaction on how easy ibaba to. Kasi I'm so impressed na
Talaga?
ang dali niya ibaba. So I thought you just had something here. I was like, parang familiar.
Gulat ka ba, love?
Yes!
Tagal mo nang gusto yan.
Yes! Yes!
Yay!
Yay! have a new camera. Show the camera, show the camera.
Mag-vlog na si Mami.
Show the camera, show the camera, Noah, show the camera.
Aba.
Daddy, he's showing it.
Yes!
Oh my gosh!
Okay ba, love? Nasurprise ka ba?
It's so nice. Oh my gosh. Noah likes it also, Daddy. Look.
Okay.
Smile. You like it? You like it, Noah? Will Mommy vlog now? Will Mommy vlog now? With that one. That Mommy will vlog with that one. Okay? Vlog tayo, ha, Noah?
Vlog ka.
Are you gonna vlog? Are you gonna vlog? Thank you!
Happy ka ba?
I am so happy.
It's one of the brand deals na hindi ko sinabi sa'yo agad na na-close ko. Kasi nga,
my God!
I wanted to surprise you.
Oh my God!
Ano masabi mo lang?
I'm so excited. And thank you!
By any chance, nakita mo ba siyang paparating?
No.
So, nung nakita mo, parang ano yun? Parang you
Parang
expect...
it looks so familiar kasi diba I always watch videos and people unboxing their pocketry. So parang ako, tsaka guys, si Dan kasi, he has so many gadgets in a box. So I really thought that's just some other lens box that you forgot to remove there.
Yeah.
So parang I had to look twice na parang pocketry ba talaga yon? And then it only made sense kasi my head said, kaya niya pinababa yung what you call screen or the backdrop. So I go, it's a surprise. So,
Yeah, it's a
ganun.
surprise. So, natuwa ka naman.
Yes.
Pero akala mo talaga binili ka.
Yeah, na parang ako, parang, it's not a time that we would buy. And yun nga, ang daming namin action cam, honestly. Parang we really don't have a reason to use a pocket. But then it would be nice. You know, these are the items that it would be nice to have, but we don't really need.
Yeah.
So nice.
Kita nyo naman, happy siya. No? Let's see. Pero like I said, ako rin excited ako kasi parang...
Are you excited?
It's another camera na pwede natin gamitin for our job.
Watch out for... Please subscribe to my YouTube for more pocketry content and vlogs.
Ni-reveal ko rin sa kanila na ikaw yung mas interesado sa vlogs eh.
Yeah.
And she actually started it first. Ako lang yung nagpatuloy in a way.
Yeah.
Pero yeah, siya yung mas
Ito open?
into it.
Ay, Daddy, he wants to open. You
You
want to
wanna
open?
it?
You want to open it?
Pwede ko bang i-unbox na Okay. Wow. Join me na lang as I unbox it, okay?
Yeah, Daddy will unbox it lang, okay?
Anything that you wanna say?
Just thank you and to the brand that helped Dan. Thank you.
Actually,
Later, I'll find out who.
gumawa ko ng entire video about the process.
Oh, that's so fun. Kiss Daddy?
Are you gonna kiss me? Kiss me.
Kiss Daddy?
Gumawa.
He just wants you to talk, my love.
So yun lang, no? Tapusin ko na yung vlog. But yeah, happy ako and happy si Den. So,
Yes, thank you.
See you.
Say bye-bye, Noah.
Say bye-bye, no?
Say bye-bye. Noah, say bye-bye to the vlog.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.